ओके सो लास्ट टाइम हम लोगों ने जहाँ तक डिस्कस किया था उसी के आगे डिस्कस करेंगे। मैं एक फाइल शेयर कर रहा हूँ आप लोग को। ये सभी को दिख रहा है? फाइल सभी को दिख रही है? हेलो, ओके। ये हम लोगों ने लास्ट टाइम जो डिस्कस किया था, अलोहा सिस्टम डिस्कस हो गया था। नाउ वी कम टू ये जो आपको दिख रहा होगा प्योर अलोहा के लिए एक प्रोसीजर दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे, प्रोसीजर फॉर प्योर अलोहा। दिस इज द फ्लो चार्ट ऑफ द प्योर अलोहा सिस्टम। इसमें देखिए देयर इज ए start position when the station has the packet or data. It can initiate for the sending purpose here at k is equal to 0. Now k is the number of attempts. So initially if we attempt for the sending of data, so k will be 0. So it sends the frame and it sends a frame at k is equal to 0 and it will wait for the twice of propagation time. Clear? It will wait for twice of propagation time, and then if acknowledgement is received that the frame is successfully transmitted, if the acknowledgement is received on the receiver side, then we can say the frame is successfully transmitted. And if the acknowledgement is not received, so it will be updated as k is equal to k plus 1, means k is equal to k की वैल्यू हम 0 रखेंगे तो 0 plus 1 means it will again repeat the next step. And if k is greater than k max, it means k max is to 15, it means the maximum attempt it can follow is 15. If the packet is not transmitted successfully, so it can try up to 15 times. So if we add k is equal to k plus 1 means 0 plus 1, that is 1. So 1 is greater than k max, means k max is suppose 15, तो 1 is greater than 15. नो, अगर ऐसा नहीं है तो हम लोग ऊपर की तरफ मूव करेंगे, और अगर 1 हमारा जो कि लेस देन 15 है, सो 1 हमारा लेस देन 15 है, तो इसका मतलब है कि हमारा जो डेटा है वो एबॉर्ट हो गया. क्लियर? सो नाउ वी कैन मूव टू द upper stage, that is choose a random number r between 0 to 2 की power k minus 1. So we will choose a random number r between 0 and 0 to 2 की power k minus 1, and k is the value from 0 to 15. Okay, so here k is 1, so 2 की power 1 minus 1, that is 1. So r will be 0 to 1. Yes, r will be from 0 to 1, and then it will wait for the back of time, that is the upper block, and thus the process is completed. Clear? So in pure Aloha everything is what? Random type. Now move to the next step. Now Aloha system has been completed now. Okay, so the last lecture I have completed the Aloha protocol. Now we come to what the next random access method, that is CSMA. So in CSMA is the carrier sends multiple access scheme. It is just designed to resolve the problem that is come in the Aloha section, and it just sends the channel initially it sends the channel before sending the data. When the station have the data to send, first of all it access the channel, and if the channel is busy, then it will not send the data at that time. So it will send the channel at a regular interval. To avoid the chance of collision and to increase the performance here. So the CSMA method was developed to avoid the chance of collision as well as to increase the performance. So before sending the data to the next step, it just access the channel, that the channel is free or not. Yes. It requires that the station first listen to the medium. The station should listen to the medium first, that the medium is free or not. Okay. If the medium is free, then it will transfer the data. Otherwise, it will wait for the wait for to be the channel become free. Clear? Until unless it will not send the data. Now it reduces the possibility of collision as well. If there is a collision in the system, if there is a collision in the system,
भैया वो बिल्ला लगाया क्या है गांव में घर पर नहीं हां कब कोई फार्म आता है देखा था बिल्ला लगा गए हैं वो
हेलो,
तो उसके लिए कोई अब क्या करा है